In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio in Nano Banana. Whether you're an experienced user or just beginning to explore this software, modifying the aspect ratio might be a step you find yourself needing to undertake. So, let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, we need to navigate to Google. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type Google Gemini. This is going to lead us to the tool we need for our task today. After typing, you'll see a list of options appear, and from these, find the official Google Gemini website and give it a click. This website is a powerful resource and will assist us in adjusting our aspect ratio effectively. Once you've landed on the Gemini website, it's time to get creative with a prompt. For instance, you might come up with something imaginative, like describing a wildlife scene, a photographer lying on the savannah with a tiger cub perched on their shoulder, with elephants and giraffes in the background, all bathed in the golden light of dawn. Feel free to be creative. This will be the base for our aspect adjustment. Now, look for the Submit button. Clicking this will take your prompt and begin the generation process. But we're not done yet. This is just the first step. Initially, the image you generate will have a default aspect ratio of 1:1. To modify this, we need to upload a reference photo with the desired ratio. Proceed by clicking on the plus sign icon to upload this reference photo. This step is crucial as it guides the software in understanding the dimensions you prefer. Navigate your files, select the image that represents the desired aspect ratio, and upload it. With our reference photo in place, it's time to adapt our prompt slightly. Modify it to include the directive to change the ratio based on the new reference photo. This addition instructs Gemini to align the new image's aspect ratio with your uploaded example. Once you've tweaked your prompt, go ahead and click Submit again. This action will send the updated instructions to the system, prompting it to adjust and generate your content with the new aspect ratio. After submission, it's important to verify that the changes took effect. Examine the new image to ensure the aspect ratio reflects your reference. It should closely mirror the dimensions of the photo you uploaded, demonstrating a successful modification. And there you go. With these steps, you've successfully changed the aspect ratio in Nano Banana using Google Gemini. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful and are now empowered to experiment and create with more control over your image compositions. Thanks for joining, and happy creating!